Do you want to launch your UAE business without renting an office? You are in the right place. Today, I will show you the fast, affordable way to get a trade license in Dubai, step by step, including exactly who to talk to and what it costs. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a trade license? A trade license is your legal green light to operate in the UAE, issued by either the DED, Department of Economic Development, on the mainland, or a free zone authority. But here's the twist. You don't always need to lease an office to get trade license. Section 2. No office license options. There are 3 smart ways you can do business in UAE without renting a physical office. Number 1 option is freelance permit. It is ideal if you are a designer, tutor, or writer, or something similar that you can operate remotely. It is issued by Dubai's DDA or media free zones like 2454 or DMCC. Its fee in Dubai free zones is around 7,500 per year plus small innovation charges. Second option is e-trade license for selling from home via Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or Amazon. It is issued by Dubai DED and it costs 1,070 dirhams per year plus 300 dirhams for chamber membership. Third option is e-commerce license. It is full-fledged online store. If you want to operate as a full-fledged online store, for example, you are selling on Shopify or you have your own website, then e-commerce license is perfect for you. Its mainland DED fees range from 6,500 to 10,000 dirhams. So the next section is why skip the office? To harvest the most booming industry in the Middle East, which is Dubai, you don't need an office. Instead of wasting thousands on rent, imagine putting that money into things that actually grow your business, like a killer website, social media ads, or hiring a virtual assistant. So no rent, more marketing, faster growth. You don't need an office to look professional anymore. You just need a strategy. And the second advantage of operating a business in UAE without an office, its approval comes faster. Section 4. Step-by-step guide on how to get a trade license. Let's break it down into 5 simple steps with departments and cost included. Step 1. Choose your license between freelance 7,500 dirham visa, e-trade license which costs 1,070 dirham plus 300, or e-commerce license which costs around 6,500 to 10,000 dirham. Step 2. Choose your legal setup. Either you want to operate in mainland via DED or free zone like DDA, DMCC or 2454. Free zones allow 100% ownership and may include visas. Step 3. Reserve a trade name. Submit to DED or free zone authority. Name must follow UAE naming rules. They cost you around 100 to 200 for trade name reservation in DED e-trader licensing process. Step 4. Apply or submit documents. Upload your application online. It requires passport, photo, possibly CV. For e-trade, proof of residence, for example, Ijari or Emirates ID is required. Step 5. Pay fees and get license. Pay via portal, DED or investdubai.ae or free zone portal, and most licenses are issued within 1 to 5 business days. That's the advantage of applying online as the applications are processed much faster. Section 5 is document checklist. Double check you have got these ready. Passport copy plus visa page, Emirates ID, passport size photo, trade name reservation receipt, proof of residence for e-trader, CV for freelance, any special approvals needed for regulated activities. Section 6. Real benefits plus insider tips. Let me go beyond the obvious and give you some real world perks and insider tips you will thank me for. Skip office rent and invest that money in marketing, better tools, or your website. That's where your growth really comes from. Setup is quick, but here's the trick. Apply early in the week, preferably Sunday or Monday morning to avoid delays. And here's the best part. Many free zones offer package deals that include your license, visa, and even co-working access. So ask for bundle offers before you pay. There you have it, how to legally start your UAE business without an office. It is affordable, fast, flexible. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more UAE business tips, and I will see you next time. Take care.